The advantages of nuclear energy. First, lower greenhouse gas emission. Nuclear energy does not release any gases like carbon dioxide, methane that are largely responsible for greenhouse effect, nor adverse effect on water, land, or any habitats due to the use of it. Second, cheap electricity and low fuel costs. The cost of uranium, which is used as fuel in generating electricity, is quite low. The average life of nuclear reactor range from 4 to 60 years depending upon its usage. These factors when combined make the cost of producing electricity very low. Even if the cost of the uranium rises, the increase in cost of electricity will be much lower. Third, reliable. Unlike other sources of energy like solar and wind, which requires sun or wind to produce electricity, nuclear energy can be produced from nuclear power plant even in cases of rough weather conditions. They also can produce power 24 hours, 7 days, and only to be shut down for maintenance purpose. Now for the advantages of nuclear energy. First, radioactive waste. The radioactive wastes are usually buried under sand and known as vitrification. The nuclear waste contain radioisotope with long half-life, and it takes almost 10,000 years to get back to the original form. These radioactive radicals make the sand or the water contaminated. Eutrophication is also another result of radioactive waste. Second, nuclear accident. The risks associated with them are relatively high. Even small radiation leaks can cause devastating effects. People who work at nuclear power plants and live near those areas are at high risk of facing nuclear radiation if it happens. Third and lastly, nuclear radiation. There were disasters caused during the Second World War after the nuclear bomb was dropped over Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Japan. Even after 5 decades of the mishap, children are born with defects. Some of the symptoms include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and fatigue.